Yeah, I don't think I can get down over there, but it's, we'll go that way. But it, cracks up, breaks off. Now we're gonna go over there. Oops, my nose. Drip it on the screen. Don't drip on screen. No nose drippy. Look at that, they made a little ramp for us. Thank you, ramp people. Wears away, breaks apart. It's interesting. I was never into geology so much. But I'm starting to learn a little bit here and there, and I'm just like, of course, YouTube's and the amazing internet full of information, and learn little by little. Some people put to break this stuff up, they like drill a hole or whatever, dig as far as they can, and then they pour like a solution of water and well, the opposite of the calcium carbonate. Yeah, opposite of the base material that we've got. So, and it basically counteracts it, and it neutralizes. So, and it basically makes a little pocket, deeper and deeper as they do it. And so then the tree can be planted, and tree can be planted, and then it gets deeper watered, because of the when it rains, it goes into the little pocket that's built, and then the tree can grow and push and find cracks and stuff, and make it deeper, make it bigger. Also, well, there's it's also suggested that caliche is only very, or can be most of the time, whatever, is just a thin layer on somebody's land. They break it up, and it pokes a hole in it, basically, and you can okay, see ya. You can, the tree can get its roots down through there, but I don't think that's the case at all. Kind of looks like somebody dug that little trench. They've got cement sort of wall there that they've built, like a little curb, so the water can go through like I guess a slower rate, like a sluice. So maybe they were letting the water sift out their gold. Gold. Anyway, yeah. So it looks like some of it's broken off. But the trench is there. I wonder what they were using, because that stuff's hard. I don't think they had my Makita drill. They had something else. Yeah. Love that trickle water sounds. And then we've got these big boulders, that who knows where they came from. I don't think they came rolling off of there, but maybe. That's a pretty far way for it to roll. Yeah, I mean, this water seems more clear, but it doesn't seem more full. That's one of the ideas I had, was to have my road go up through this way, because it's a little bit more gentle slope. But again, I don't want it to be over here. Whoa. Should have had slow motion. I need to turn on the screen and see if I can see what's... I'm just kind of moving the camera and hoping it's filming something. So, I don't know if it is. Yeah. Is that for safety? Well, it's mostly dead. Mostly dead. Yeah. All the way up through my property.